Have you ever pondered the fate of our planet in the distant future, say 1 billion years from now? The wheel of time spins ceaselessly, shaping the destiny of our blue planet in ways that are both fascinating and daunting. As we stand on the cusp of the future, it's essential to comprehend where the Earth might be headed. Our planet has been around for roughly 4.5 billion years, and it's expected to continue for another 5 billion years. That's a long stretch of time, filled with possibilities that science can help us explore. Imagine the changes, the evolution, the challenges, and opportunities that lie in wait. Understanding the potential future of Earth is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about preparing ourselves for what's to come, about being ready to navigate the unknown, and about learning to thrive amidst change. Let's embark on this journey through time, to the Earth of 1 billion years from now. Fast forward to 1,000 years from now. The world as we know it will have transformed dramatically. Advancements in technology could mean we inhabit cities in the sky or even under the sea. Imagine thousands of years of innovation leading us to a world where the impossible becomes reality. But with progress comes change. The climate will continue to shift, perhaps creating new landscapes and climates unlike anything we've ever seen. Our human population too will evolve. We might become a multi-planetary species, or discover new ways of extending our lifespan. The impacts of these changes on our environment will be profound. We may witness the birth of new ecosystems, or the extinction of current ones. We could see the emergence of new species, or the disappearance of ones we hold dear. As we move further into the future, the changes become more dramatic. The next 1,000 years promise a journey of discovery, innovation, and adaptation. Now let's take a giant leap to 1 million years from now. Imagine the Earth, but not as we know it today. Geologically speaking, continents will have shifted, creating new land masses and oceanic trenches. Mountains will rise and fall, and volcanic activity will resculpt our planet's face. In terms of life, evolution will continue its ceaseless march. New species will emerge, adapted to the world's changing conditions, while others, unable to adapt, will vanish. This constant cycle of life and death is the heart of our planet's biodiversity. But let's not forget, 1 million years also provides ample time for a mass extinction event. A catastrophic asteroid impact, a colossal volcanic eruption, or even a dramatic shift in climate could wipe out a significant proportion of life on Earth. These changes may sound drastic, but they are part of Earth's natural rhythm. 1 million years may seem like a long time, but in the grand scale of the universe, it's just a blink. Finally, we arrive at 1 billion years into the future. Imagine, if you will, a time so distant that it boggles the mind. What might our beloved Earth look like then? Well, science gives us a few clues, albeit a bit gloomy. As our sun ages, it will grow hotter and brighter. Over the next 1 billion years, it will become so hot that our oceans will evaporate into the atmosphere. This will create a runaway greenhouse effect, similar to what we see on Venus today. With no oceans to regulate temperature, Earth's surface will become a scorching wasteland, too hot for any life as we know it to survive. And what about the sun, the giver of life? As it continues to burn through its hydrogen fuel, it will eventually expand into a red giant engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. But don't worry, this isn't expected to happen for another 5 billion years or so. However, not all life on Earth will necessarily be extinguished. Some scientists believe that extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, might be able to adapt and survive in this harsh new world. Perhaps life, in some form, will persist, even in the face of such dramatic changes. And what of Earth itself? In the absence of life, our planet may become a barren, rocky world, much like Mars. The atmosphere will be stripped away by solar winds, leaving the surface exposed to harmful cosmic radiation. But remember, these are just predictions based on our current understanding of the universe. Science is always evolving, always learning. Who knows what discoveries await us in the future? While the future may seem bleak, it's a reminder of the preciousness of the time we have now, and the importance of preserving our planet for as long as we can. So let's cherish our time here, let's treasure our planet, and let's strive to understand and protect it, for the sake of all life, present and future. So, what does all this mean for us? It's a stark reminder that our actions today have far-reaching consequences. The scenarios we've explored highlight the urgency for us to act responsibly, to preserve our Earth, to sustain life. As we've seen, even 1 billion years from now, the echoes of our choices will reverberate, and though we may not know exactly what the future holds, one thing is clear. While we cannot predict the future with certainty, we can shape it with our actions today. The future of Earth is in our hands.